In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode on Replit. Whether you're trying to ease the strain on your eyes during those late night coding sessions, or you simply prefer the sleek look of a dark interface, enabling this feature is a quick and easy process. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Replit in dark mode with just a few clicks. First things first, head over to your web browser and go to replit.com. This is where all the magic happens. If you aren't already logged in, make sure you do that first so you've got full access to the customization options we're about to explore. Once you're on the Replit homepage, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll notice various menu options. What we're interested in is a drop-down menu that holds all the goodies. Look closely and you should see a small icon or arrow that indicates a drop-down feature. Go ahead and click on that. With your drop-down menu open, you'll see an option labeled Theme. This is where you can make changes to how your Replit interface looks and feels. Click on Theme, and it will take you to the next step of the process. Now here comes the exciting part, switching to dark mode. Within the theme menu, you'll notice a few different icons representing various theme styles. Look for the crescent moon shape. This is your gateway to dark mode. Simply click on this crescent shape, and there you have it. Your Replit should now be enveloped in a calming dark hue, perfect for those extended coding marathons. But let's say you're already deeply engrossed in a project and don't want to navigate back to the homepage just to make the switch. Well, there's good news for you. You can still enable dark mode without disrupting your workflow. While inside any project, glance over to the same sidebar within your workspace. You'll find the same drop-down menu there. Click on it, and just like before, locate the crescent shape under the theme settings. One straightforward click, and voila! You have switched to dark mode. This option ensures you don't have to pause your project just to adjust your settings. And that's all there is to it. Switching to dark mode on Replit is as simple as navigating a few menus and making a quick click. We hope this guide helps you create a more comfortable and visually soothing coding environment. Thank you for tuning in, and happy coding with Replit's dark mode.